This is Elm Street 3. Elm from the street name mostly found in North America, and it's a common name for a big street in the city. Main Street, or in Swedish the Storgata, the big street. And Elm Street number 3 has a bakery in the first story. It's a house, brown house with details, and two-story house. We start here underneath it. It doesn't have a cellar, but you, in a way to manage the elevation differences, it has some space underneath it. Well, the bakery, you can walk in, buy your pan riches and croissants directly from the woman who runs the bakery, and take some chitting and chatting during the making of all the good things that are produced here. The things in the bakery will symbolize other things, so it's not I'm not going for details in that way, perfect details. I'm going for a feeling of a bakery. This is one apartment, and it's the same here. You have a bed, you have a cupboard, and a little table that makes a feeling of room in an apartment. In this way, in this case, a bedroom. So here is someone living, and this is another apartment. And in this apartment you have a table, a flower, and a couple of chairs that will symbolize one type of room. So each apartment will symbolize one type of room. So there are not enough space to build every room in every apartment. This house actually has a little tower and is built in that way, and here you can see it from the top with the round plate taken off. It's just to give some character to the building. A bit of a tower and a round shape make it some character, and here you see it from the side. It's quite a narrow building, because on the back side the local municipal government has its vehicle. So this is Elm Street number 3.